Hello, I'm Mary Love with Love the Green Real Estate Consulting Firm, and it is time for another market update. We're going to be reviewing August 2020. Okay, we're going to start off with a reminder that when we talk about the greater Asheville region, it includes Buncombe, Burke, Haywood, Henderson, Jackson, Madison, McDowell, Mitchell, Polk, Rutherford, Swain, Transylvania, and Yancey counties. So that does affect our statistics when we look at the greater Asheville area, because Swain and Yancey, Polk, Mitchell are not as popular, and their sales are slower in general. But when we add them all in there together, that affects the statistics. That is why we also break it down into the most popular counties, which we're going to be looking at right now. So for the Asheville region, our new listings, and remember our statistics run from month of 2019 to the same month for 2020. So it's August 19 to August 2020 is what we're figuring out, the statistics of these changes. Also, I used single family 3 to square feet, most of them between 1,100 to 2,500 square feet. All right, so the Asheville region in general, our new listings was down 3.9%. The pendings were up 53%, and the closings were up 9.1%. That fluctuation between Asheville region of listings being down but closings being up and pendings being up is because there are less listings in our popular areas and more listings in the outer lying areas. The median home price for all of the greater Western North Carolina region has gone up 16.4% to $305,000. That can be quite sobering to people that are moving here and have a major sticker shock even in our outlying counties. Average day on the market increased. Again, that was because some of the other counties are having more listings and it's a little longer for them to get it closed. Overall, our total month supply of inventory is only 2.8. That is very, very low. All right, so let's go into our, in the past when we talked about statistics, we would focus primarily on Buncombe and Henderson County. Those are the two popular areas that are surrounded by this, close to the city limits of Asheville. Buncombe County increased new listings only 0.8% because we have such a severe housing shortage here. Listings are challenging to find, and they're just not coming on as much. Our pendings increased 39.5%. What that means is the houses that are out there are going under contract fast. Closings increased 4.7%. Again, that's when a listing goes up, it goes under contract and it closes quickly. The Buncombe County median home price has risen 8.5%, and it is now $342,000. So guys, if you're moving here and you're thinking your $200,000 is going to get you something, just remember our median home price now in Buncombe County is $342,000. So that is a significant difference. You're going to have to take what you might have thought would have been a cash deal and use it as a down payment. Our days on the market, actually, we went below what the average was from last year. They're just flying off as fast as we can list them. Inventory is only 2.6, and that includes houses that are priced above $700,000. So if it's anything under $500,000 right now, it's just selling super fast. Henderson County, new listings was down 10.4%. That's really pretty much of a shocker to see that, that the listings have dropped that much. Inventory is really low in Henderson County. The pendings increased 63.5%. That is huge. So again, same scenario. If you can find a listing, it goes on the market. If it's in decent shape and priced right, it's going to sell fast. Days on the market and for Henderson as well has gone down, and only 2.1%. Again, want to look at this medium home price. It has significantly gone up 13.4% over a year's time. Henderson County used to be a place that you could find some good investment deals for rentals, rehabs. Now those prices are getting very much going up, and people are wanting to move to this area and are willing to pay higher, even if a house needs some work, higher than what it was last year. I think the big surprise is Haywood County. Haywood County, we got to go somewhere, right? If Buncombe County is starting to become overpriced, Henderson County is, then we're looking at the surrounding counties. Haywood County, the thing I want you to note, has increased 42.5% on the medium home price in 1 year's time. It's still averaging out at $285, which is a good deal if you're moving from other areas compared to what it is in Henderson and Buncombe County. So Haywood County is also probably a good place to invest right now. And days on the market have decreased on it, and again, only a 2.6 month supply. Madison County's new listings are also down. Madison County has jumped up pending about 84.2%. That's a very big jump for pendings. Closings 20.8%, and their Madison County's prices have moved up to $320, and that's a 5.8%. Madison County does have a little more land to go with it, so their prices have been a little higher in general because they've added additional land. That is one thing that I haven't divided off in the statistics yet. And I will typically right now we're looking at land that most of it is quarter acre to an acre, but some of the land in Madison might have 10 acres in it that went into the mix on this. McDowell County as well, new listings are down in McDowell County. The thing to look at that's really amazing with McDowell County is the medium home price has jumped up 51.6%. It's at $235. That's still a good deal compared to the other areas, but that is a tremendous increase as far as thinking about affordability and where people are going to live. We used to have a lot of people that would be willing to live in McDowell County and drive into Asheville for work because the prices were so much better there. This is a huge shift to go over 50% in 1 year, though. Transylvania has, so that county has increased in their new listings. Their pendings have increased by 94.8%. Their closing is 63.2%. And just so you know, is the medium home price actually went down. Transylvania County in the past has had large homes, large tracts of land, McMansions that have sold for 700 million plus that would have been in our statistical mix. Now what's happening down there is a lot of newer construction is being built. Land is still affordable for builders to get in there. They're building new construction. That's one of the reasons that the new listings went up, because the market is hot in Transylvania as well. Our highlighted city this month is Waynesville. And with Waynesville, I just went straight numbers from year to year rather than percentages, just so we could get a little concept of what's going on in the town of Waynesville. Right now, in 1 month's time, they increased their listings to 34. Their pendings were 82, with 52. They closed 40. So that's a lot of inventory to be out there and closing in just a month's time. Their medium home price has gone up. It is now $348,950. That is a significant increase for the town of Waynesville. You're going to have to start looking outside the area of Waynesville to get some good deals. If you're moving this area, days on the market only 47, and their inventory supply for the city of Waynesville is only 2.9%. Major takeaway from this is the fact that we have a huge housing shortage in Western North Carolina. The affordability factor is significant. So if you are moving to this area, be prepared for price shock. It's just getting more and more expensive. If you're looking to buy, my advice would be to buy now. I don't foresee that our area is going to significantly drop in price, even if we have a COVID slowdown. When we had the recession, overall, our area did not drop. It evened out a little bit and then just continued to climb. That is the beauty of living here, and also the fact that our topography makes it a little more challenging to build, so there's only so much land that's buildable, and that just continues to increase the price as well. So it's a good time to buy, a good time to sell. If you want to sell and either downsize or move out of the area where you are to get a good deal, that's great. If you're selling because you just think you want to get something better, be prepared for that to cost you more as well. You're going to get a better price on your house, but it's going to cost more to buy something else. All right. I am available for questions. As always, you can throw that out on the YouTube site, the questions and comments. Also, be sure to check out the blog, which I will have in the comments below. And if you're looking to buy or sell, be sure to contact Mary Love. Have a great day.